Boom, 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 boom. What's the word to Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now, right now we have a song from Vybz Kartel and DJ Mac. He's actually on the what you call it Riddim again? WYFL Riddim. You feel me? So let's get straight to this reaction. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all know what to do, the good stuff. Let's get straight to it, y'all. For those who's stepping into the stream, Taco Tuesday is still going on, but let's do these reactions so I could post them on YouTube. Just being consistent. But Taco Tuesday is going on in the background, as you can see people eating. The artist is pulling up. But let's get straight to it. Vybz Kartel. Let's go.
Make it record, nothing can go on without the lad in our yard. I will be the beat, I want it hard.
Got me on the beat, so it's a bang.
Get the money, then the power, then the pussy, don't be coward. We the fit the
Get the money, then the power, then the pum pum. Don't be a coward. Oh my God, let's go.
power, keep it pill and keep it powder. Make your mother prouder when the mansion is around her. No depend by your father, I'm like fabric in a power. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Sashi brand, me a van, me a dark in a Italian, it's a Milan. Girl, I run the pussy fast, Shelly Ann, if a breeder, your man of a guan.
Y'all run the pum pum fast, Shelly and Fraser Price. Oh my gosh, voila, remember a little bit, voila, go on.
And if a breeder, your man of a guan, that's a band.
Alright,
like me,
the man say, baby girl, my breeder, your man have to go on because the kid have to born, the youth have to born, then I'll show my youth. Go on.
Found and Perian, she like Dan Julio mixed with the pan. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money.
Yeah, boy, it's a brother in the man say, yo, don't see me. That's how your mama. Hold on, make money and do what? Why him say? Hold on, why him say?
Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't know funny when the youths stay hungry, mind your business, make money.
Hey, no funny when you use some hungry for you in the dark. No funny, you know why? No funny you use some hungry, because they're going to rob everybody in your sight. They're going to take your money. Go on.
No funny when the youths stay hungry, mind your business, make money. Money tree me I go plant and the seed name dollars me need, woman me want. Mount of what me put out like a warrant, bank book heavy than an elephant, sometimes I can't. Me ready for go me race. I'm like a watcher from in the school, member balloon, me take the chance. I'm in a sneak, log out the phone, me take the charge. Go tell the soup, go tell the side. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths stay hungry, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths stay hungry, mind your business, make money. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Sashi brand, me a van, me a dark in a Italian land. Girl, I run the pussy fast, Shelly Ann, if a breeder, your man of a guan, that's a band. Big like me, have a farm, Dan Perian. She like Dan Julio mixed with the pan.
Brando, I need that Ethernet card.
Downstairs in my car.
I need it, I need it because my shit lagging. Maybe it's because the Wi-Fi, the game is playing, so I'm gonna need that. Alright, bet. Right on. Alright, y'all, let's get to it. Let's go. Money. So now we gotta ask the big question, y'all. Now we gotta ask the big question. Is this song harder than Skipper? You feel me? Is this song harder than Skipper? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm gonna see on another video. I gotta get this shit right for my stream because my stream is logging. Let's go. Out of here.